Hey there, it's your girl Tweetie, and welcome to my daily smoothie series, Blends by Tweetie, where I blend up more than just fruit. I'm sharing smoothies that nourish life, whether you're a new mom trying to lose or gain weight, fueling your workout, boosting milk supply, or sneaking veggies into picky eaters. Have got a recipe for you. From pregnancy to postpartum, kids to older adults, I've got a smoothie for everybody and every season of life. I'll be sharing powerful, quick, easy recipes packed with ingredients that actually make a difference. Smart swaps, and all the little tips that make your smoothie next level, So, whether you're eating, fueling, glowing, or just surviving another morning, I got you. Hit the follow and subscribe button. Grab your blender and let's sip all the way to better days. Welcome to Blends by Tweetie.
I was flipping through my best friend's phone, just looking for a picture from a rodeo show, when I stopped on a smile I'd never seen. Sunlight on her hair, soft and sweet as a dream. Didn't know her name, didn't know her town, but my heart kicked in like a bucking bronco down. And I laughed, said, "Who's this angel man?" He said, "That's my cousin from Birmingham." It was love at first shot, didn't take much, just a photo in the light, and I felt that rush. I said, "I gotta meet her, can you make that call?" He said, "Well, she's single, I'll tell her." Y'all didn't plan to fall, didn't even try, but one still picture lit up my sky. Now I'm standing here holding her hand, from a screen to my heart, wasn't part of the plan.